The word we'll be learning in this video is "えいえん", which you will often hear in romantic vows, songs, poetry, and religious or philosophical talks. Imagine how much more natural your Japanese will sound when you can say things like, "I will love you forever," "Will this last forever," and "It felt like an eternity" in Japanese. Let's get started. 永遠, 永遠. The word 永遠 means something that lasts forever or has no end. Think of it as the idea of time stretching on without stopping. You will see it used to describe timeless concepts, promises, or feelings. As a short definition, 永遠 means forever or eternity, and you will often hear it as 永遠に when someone says forever. The first kanji means eternity. Its core meaning is long-lasting. You can see it in 永久, which means permanence. It also appears in 長い, which means long. In those words, the kanji gives the idea of long time or length. The second kanji means far. Its core meaning is distance or remoteness. You can see it in 遠足, which means field trip. It also appears in 遠い, which means distant. In those words, the kanji gives the sense of being far away. To last forever. 永遠に続く. 永遠に続く. Eternal love. 永遠の愛. 永遠の愛. Will never forget. 永遠に忘れない. 永遠に忘れない. To be loved forever. 永遠に愛される. 永遠に愛される. Eternal life. 永遠の命. 永遠の命. The most common synonyms of the 永遠 is 永久 and 不滅. 永久 emphasizes long, continuous duration and is often used in formal or legal contexts. 不滅 emphasizes that something cannot be destroyed or perish, giving a stronger sense of imperishability than 永遠. Both overlap with 永遠, but differ in nuance and typical usage. The most common antonyms of the 永遠 is 一時 and 有限. 一時 means temporary or momentary and highlights a limited duration opposite to 永遠. 有限 means limited or finite, contrasting with the boundlessness implied by 永遠. Use 一時 when you mean short duration and 有限 when you mean limited extent or capacity.